Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is June 6, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis, to where we're simply here to give you all the news according to the charts. We're not here to razzle and dazzle you, to give you some fluff, just try to persuade you to click on these videos. That is not our objective. Our objective is for you to maintain profitability and to see where the market is likely to go before it actually goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you all a quick analysis for Bitcoin and for Ethereum, both paired against the USD, and see what we notice on the charts. And by looking at this screen, you all can definitely tell that we don't have any confusion to relay to you all. That's another purpose of this particular company, is to not confuse you. So many other people place confusion and indicators and charts and patterns and shapes and all types of things on their charts just to predict where prices are likely to go. And you can see here and in the history of our channel that we do not use any of those things, and we're still on point with where the market is going to go. Now, if you're interested in getting more of this analysis, then you'd have to become one of our members on our Patreon page, and it's only $3 a month. That's very minimal for the type of information that you're getting, because you're not going to get this information anywhere else. Now, Bitcoin is up 0.64% right now on Bitfinex. Last trade was $7,674, and we're still maintaining strength in the market for Bitcoin. You can see that we started out trading to the downside today, held support at $7,500. That is wonderful, and we're still closing above the close from yesterday's close. So those are all strength that we have noticed in the market. Now we're taking a look at the 3-hour bars for Bitcoin, and we're going to try to break $7,700. And once we break it, it's going to be off to the races, back up to 78. And given the fact that we have been consolidating for such a long period of time, it's more than likely that we're going to break $7,800 and come back up towards 1,000. And currently, that is the only thing that is hindering Bitcoin from continuing to move to the upside. Once we break this $7,680, $7,700 price range, we're going to continue to move higher in price. And currently, this 3-hour chart is still giving us some strength in Bitcoin right now as well, to where we will be expecting them to move higher. 1-hour chart, you can see that we made a quick movement back down, but we maintained support at 75.20, and we recovered. Well, we didn't recover. We moved back up in higher prices relatively quick. So that definitely tells us that strength is still being maintained in Bitcoin, and we will be looking for them to continue to move to the upside as well. So that is going to be our analysis for Bitcoin. And now we're going to go ahead and take a look at Ethereum real quick to see what is going on in the market. You all can see that Ethereum currently is down 0.02%. Last trade was $608.48. Told you all in our video yesterday that ultimately Ethereum has to stay above $600 in order for us to continue to move higher in price. So far our analysis is still intact. The market came and moved lower to the downside today, but I want you to see the volume compared to what we saw the last 3 days, and those days were indications to where the market wanted to move to the downside, but it did not. So there is not that many sellers in the market right now for Ethereum. Taking a look at the 3-hour bars, there's still one more hurdle that we have to cross, and that's $612. That is a huge area of resistance that we have to break in order for us to continue to move higher in price. And I'm expecting that to occur in Ethereum for tomorrow's trading, or definitely over the next couple of trading days. So again, just like with Bitcoin, we're looking for Ethereum to move higher in price as well. But again, we have to break resistance of $610 or even $612. Once we overcome those two areas, then again, we're going to be off to the races for higher prices in Ethereum. But our analysis definitely is for Ethereum to continue to move higher in price, and our $600 price area for support has to hold. If we break that, then we will move back down to the downside, and our analysis changes. So that's all I have for today. And again, like I said, if you're interested in this easy analysis, this easy way to predict where prices are likely to go, then you have to become our member on our Patreon page, and it's very minimal for the cost, because I know you're not going to get this information nowhere else. So I look forward to seeing you all there. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you all later.